Good late afternoon, XRP Future Millionaire, and I just wanted to do a quick update on the market and go over something that I thought was pretty interesting. Just talking about XRP for the month of January. So, like we said, there is a chance, if we can get a close over 80 cents, that we could turn this into some kind of run. But as of right now, I mean, what does that look like to you guys? Could we be forming a small bull pennant here? Possible. That's what I'm looking at right now. Obviously, that 75 cents is key. It's just breaking down as far as we did. It's a little extreme, but we did break down to the bottom of the neck. On the bottom of reversal, too. So, I mean, 75 cents is holding. We're on the bottom side of that uptrending resistance that we would want to make support to verify a run, which is why we want to be on the top of 80 cents. If at any time we show 80 cents of support, that would be a time to buy XRP if it closes a daily above 80 cents, because then we know we could have a run up to the upside, and there's a 20% potential from 80 cents to $1. It would be a perfect spot to go in for a swing, even if you don't like the swing trade, because it's showing you if it closes over 80 cents. The problem is this is fake out area, so we have to be very careful. One thing I've noticed with XRP, if you look at the trade setup, look at Ethereum, we have a very similar setup as Ethereum. So we've come up to all these points that I talked about with Ethereum, held both areas we had to stay bullish. Now we got rejected by 3408, and we're at a critical, that 3279 is a critical line. But if you look at Ethereum, and then you look at XRP, they're pretty similar with the way they're running. I mean, you have the exact same pattern set up. So are we going to bounce out, or are we going to fail right here? I mean, we're going to need a lot more volume than this to get over 80 cents. But we're also going to need some volume to push us out of this range too. So we're kind of stuck here. But we are hitting some major resistance in these areas at 80 cents. And now we're stuck trading in between this zone that we talked about. That could turn into this, right, inside out type of trade. So you start to get much more volatile as you go. So the farther out we go, the more volatile you'll be. But the more times we get rejected in this area, and we could have very easily just did this, and this would have made this look a lot better. But at the time when I did this, I had nothing to go off of. Could do something like that. So that's what we're looking at with XRP. We're squeezed right now. So we have the 75 cent support. If we break that support, it's going to be trouble. But we are working on what could be a cup and handle at 83 if we can get past this 80. And then you break that 83 or 80, then you're in a zone where, okay, if you can close over 80 cents, that would be your buy signal. The problem is we haven't got that close yet over the daily. In fact, every time we think we're going to, we just get rejected back down, and it makes it very difficult. With Bitcoin, much like Ethereum, it's the same thing. 43,118 is acting as a resistance point here. We are using the 30-minute time frame and the 200-day as support, so this could verify a little bit bigger run, but we're going to have to do something. So, but I want to read this article. I have you guys, your attention. Make sure to hit that like button. Okay, so what this basically is, it says Ripple's price prediction is XRP a good investment in January. The Ripple price has been under intense pressure in the past few weeks as the cryptocurrency sell-off has accelerated. XRP is trading at 77 cents. Hold on, my son just came out here. Hi, buddy. So the Ripple price is 77 cents. This price is about 61% above the highest levels. Ripple X NFT plans. Ripple is one of the leading blockchain networks in the world. According to CoinGecko, XRP has a market cap of over 36 billion, making it the 8th biggest coin in the world. Ripple Labs' main product is known as RippleNet. Hold on one sec. It is a service that is used by banks and other money transfer companies used to simplify their processes. Transfers done in the Ripple Net ecosystem are faster and cost-friendlier than those carried out in the other means. Ripple is also seeking to expand its business. Last year, the developers announced that they will be venturing into the vast-growing non-fungible token NFT industry, and this week, Ripple X, the company's developer arm, announced that they had rolled out the DevNet for this project. The developer portal makes it possible for developers to learn more about NFTs and carry out experiments about them. They can also preview, test, and experiment with XLS 20D and on the XRPL network before it moves to the mainnet. This is a major achievement for Ripple because of the overall size of the NFT market. Last year, it is estimated that people traded NFTs worth over $40 billion, and analysts expect that the industry will keep growing in the next few years. This explains why companies like OpenSea have achieved multi-billion-dollar valuations. However, Ripple faces a key challenge in the industry. It has become a highly competitive industry with some of the leading blockchains like Ethereum and Tezos seeking to gain share. Layer 2 networks like Immutable X are also solving the biggest challenges involved in Ethereum-based NFTs. Ripple price prediction. The Charlie chart shows that XRP price formed a double top pattern at the 135.10 level. The chin of the BIS pattern is at 86.6. The day the coin is trading slightly below this chin. It has also moved slightly below the 25-day and 50-day moving averages, while the relative strength index has moved to the neutral level. Therefore, there is a likelihood that Ripple price will remain under pressure in the near term. If this happens, the next key level to watch is 65 cents. So that was just some key information and some stuff that you might like about XRP. Stay blessed, everybody.